Hi all, in this video I explain pointer syntax with array. Now in order to understand this, you have to know that an array variable is a constant pointer to an array. For this example, assume that I have an integer array of 5 elements that is illustrated up here. Now I want to update my last element to 28. Assume that I already declared an array with the identifier array and that I have an integer variable named index initialized to 4. This statement here assigns 28 to the array at index specified by the index variable, which is 4. So this updates the element to 28. This is what's referred to as bracket syntax or array syntax. Another way to access the last element is using pointer syntax. So here I use the dereference operator and then in parentheses array plus index, and then I assign 28 to it. Let's take a closer look at how this works. Going back, I earlier mentioned that an array variable is a constant pointer to an array. So when I have array here, this is essentially a pointer that points to the very beginning of the array, or also the very first element. So if I go to array, I go to the very first element. Now I do plus index, and essentially index is 4, then I say plus 1, 2, 3, 4, I go to the last element. Let's take a look at a code example. In this example I have an array named scores. I use a constant size initialized to 5. I initialize all the elements to 0 and then I output the values. So running this, all the values are 0. Now let's update the very first element to 90. Scores bracket 0. And I assign 90 to it. Running this again, this holds 90. Another way to do this is using pointer syntax. So I can use asterisk scores equals 90. This will go to the location of where scores is pointing to. Scores is a pointer that points to the very beginning of the array, so the very first element. So if I comment out the statement I had before and run this, this will still be 90. Now what if we want to update the second element stored at index 1? Another way to view this here is that I go to the location of scores plus 0, because this is the index here. I add index 0 to it, but because adding 0 to it doesn't make sense, I left it out originally. But with this example we can work for other indices. So I can now go to scores plus 1 equals 15. This will update the second element to 15. And this syntax I can use for updating values. I can use it in the for loop. I can use it when reading values. So as one more example, let's update it down here. Instead of accessing scores and then I in brackets, let's use pointer syntax. So I use the dereference operator and then in parentheses plus I, and running this will give me the same results, but now I used pointer syntax instead of array syntax. If you compare the two, you can choose whichever you prefer. Technically, it's nicer to use the bracket syntax because it also makes it clear that you're working with an array versus pointer, but both of them work and both of them are valid. Thank you for watching.